Hi, in this video I will discuss why you will not get traffic from Google Ads. So there is a multiple several karon. So I will explain how can identify what is the actual reason. So before starting this video, my name is Amin. I'm a top rated Facebook ad specialist and Google ad specialist. If you need any help, let me contact us. My contact information is below. So let's go my client account. Here you can see there has a some campaign. Just click on the campaign. Okay. So I will just click this campaign, new campaign by Amin, and click the auction inside. Okay, if you click the auction inside, you will find some data. Okay, just I will click the started. No data is still found. Okay, so here you can see some auction data. Here you can see my position is 1 2 3 4 5th, and SpyX, spynow.com, guardnet.com, instantphonedata.com is 4 position. They are the above position overlap, for that's why they get traffic from Google ad. We do not get traffic. Just spy phone USA, just click, no ad is found. Just a minute. Plumbing service USA, sorry, plumbing service USA. Okay, here you can see first ad, second ad, third ad, fourth ad. So if you do not get the fourth, third, second, first position, you will not get traffic. Our position is 5th position, so that's why we do not get traffic. So why that's happened? First of all, I copy this URL and go to website performance. Okay, so I just paste this one and click analyze. Okay, just a minute. If you here you can see the diagnosis performance issue is progressing. Here you can see website performance is 67% and desktop is 75. Okay, so now let's see our website performance. Is desktop for 5%. If you check mobile, then our performance is less. That's why our website loading speed is slow. We do not get traffic from Google Ads. So we need to improve your website performance. If then you will get the first position, because Google always prefer the quality score, and quality score is depend 3 factor. The number 1 is website speed performance. So we need to increase and we will get traffic. So hopefully you understand why are you do not get traffic from Google ad. So if you need any help, let me contact. I will help you to optimize your Google ad and working together to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching this video.